Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Ever been wondering when to buy or sell a certain crypto? Well, today we'll be looking at some key levels or AVAX. In this video, we'll cover the key levels, we'll see what AVAX is all about, where for opportunity, where to buy and sell it. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. My own calculations using stock to flow as an indication. I've been looking at the stock to flow model, and it's mainly based on Bitcoin, giving us key indications of where Bitcoin might go. So I've formulated my own calculations using the stock to flow to give us an indication where certain coins might go. We've seen it in the past when Bitcoin moves, coins starts moving as well. So it gives us that indication of when to buy and when to sell. But before we get to AVAX, make sure to look at Bitscap, all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like AVAX. Best crypto trading bot, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio and demo trading. Everything you need to easily manage your assets within one interface. And the benefit of Bitscap is it uses API keys, so you stay in control of all your funds. Crypto trading bot for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Set automated trading bots on Binance, Bitfinex, Kraken, and over 25 other cryptocurrency exchanges. Back to AVAX. Avalanche Multiverse. Welcome to the Multiverse. Avalanche Foundation launches incentive program to accelerate growth of subnets. Blazing fast, low cost, and eco-friendly. What's possible with Avalanche? Avalanche is an open, programmable smart contracts platform for decentralized applications. Built fast, low cost, Solidity compatible dApps. Launch Ethereum dApps that confirm transactions instantly and process thousands of transactions per second, far beyond any decentralized blockchain platform today. Launch customized blockchains, private and public. Deploy blockchains that fit your own application needs. Build your own virtual machine and dedicate exactly how the blockchain should operate. Scale to millions of validators with minimum hardware. Stake or lock up your AVAX to help process transactions and further secure the platform, providing security guarantees well above the 51% standard. You probably have the hardware required to join the platform. The Economist is a greener, faster, and more decentralized alternative to Bitcoin. Possible? Comparing to blockchains, looking at transaction throughput, transaction finality, energy efficient, number of validators, symbol protection. Bitcoin is on 7TP. Avalanche is infinity. Transaction finality, Bitcoin 60 minutes, Ethereum 6 minutes, Polkadot 60 seconds, Avalanche 2 seconds. Energy efficiency, no on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Polkadot, yes, CPU optimal, and Avalanche as well. Number of validators, Bitcoin 3 pools, Ethereum 2 pools, Polkadot 200 nodes relay chain, and Avalanche thousands of nodes. Symbol protection, all of them is on proof of stake. Build Ethereum dApps without limits. Avalanche Solidity compatible. All of your favorite tools like Remix, Truffle, and Tenderly work out of the box. Lowest cost to deploy contracts. Deploying smart contracts on Avalanche costs just a tenth of what it costs on Ethereum. High gas fees, front running, and other adverse effects of slow smart contract blockchains are now a thing of the past. Flexible, composable. Avalanche virtual machines enable developers to easily launch blockchain with a wide array of application-specific features. The Ethereum virtual machine is fully running on Avalanche with more VMs to come. Easily transfer existing Ethereum assets. Interoperability of blockchain is the future. The Avalanche bridge enables easy transactions of advanced and Ethereum assets between blockchains. Learn what use cases benefits most by leveraging the high performance capabilities of Avalanche. Decentralized finance, DeFi. DeFi is rapidly growing beyond the limits of the chain. Avalanche is fully compatible with Ethereum assets, apps, and tooling with faster speeds, higher throughput, and lower fees. Asset insurance, automated market makers, borrowing and lending, decentralized exchanges. Institutions, enterprises, and governments. Avalanche is the best verifiable platform for institutions, enterprises, and governments. Launch assets, build applications, and create subnets with complete control over your implementation, with compliance, data security, and other rule sets built into the foundation. Asset insurance and trading, central bank digital currencies, debt finance, digital identity, and document tracking. Digital collectibles. Mint your own digital collectibles in seconds for fees less than a cent. Digital proof, ownership, and streamline value flow. Create a share art, collectibles, and more with all the benefits and none of the downside. Art, certifications and licenses, collectibles, and credentials. And as we can see, join the Avalanche community. It's on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, and view all communications. It's all over and you can just look it up. But let's get to the numbers. Looking at CoinGecko, Avalanche is currently the number 11 crypto according to market cap, with a 24-hour volume of $885 million, standing on a market cap of just over $24 billion. At least 600 million, and it can move into the top 10. But now, let's look at Avalanche price. The current price is standing at $90.87 at the time of this recording. Circulating supply, 267 million Avalanche. The total supply, 377 million. Max supply, 270 million tokens. But if we go down and we look at Avalanche all-time high and all-time low since it's been on CoinGecko, we can see Avalanche has started at $2.80 on the 31st of December 2020 and has reached an all-time high of $144.96 on November 21, 2021, about 4 months ago. But let's get to those key levels and see where Avalanche might go. Looking at our sell opportunities or take profit opportunities, we got a high point of $460.23, $379.99, $261.93, $232.42, $178.93, $140.19. This level has been reached in November, and $115.29. Looking at key buy opportunities, $83.47, $79.32, $69.17, $58.10, $50.73, $44.27, and a low of $31.36. We never know when there might be a flash drop and it might just pick up those low orders. Leave me your thoughts and concerns and predictions down below in the comments, Have a great one.